Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest tools and gadgets to help you make informed choices. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the best little ratcheting screwdriver on the market, the Megapro 13-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. This tool is not just a screwdriver, it's a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Megapro Ratcheting Screwdriver boasts a sleek design and an array of impressive features that set it apart from the competition. With a 1/4 inch hex shaft, it's compatible with a variety of bits, including Phillips, star, flat, and square. This versatility means that you can tackle a wide range of projects without needing to dig through your toolbox for the right tool. What truly makes this screwdriver stand out is its original retractable bit cartridge, which houses double-ended bits that you can easily swap out. No more fumbling around or losing bits. The 13-in-1 design means you have quick access to the most commonly used screwdriver tips all in one compact tool, allowing you to be more efficient in your tasks. The Megapro Ratcheting Screwdriver features an ultra-smooth 28-tooth ratchet mechanism. This allows you to apply an impressive 225 inch-pounds of torque, which is essential for heavy-duty jobs. You'll notice how effortlessly it drives screws, making it ideal for both delicate and demanding tasks. The ratcheting action lets you keep your hand in place, reducing the time spent repositioning and allowing for a more continuous and fluid motion. Comfort is key when it comes to hand tools, and this screwdriver does not disappoint. Its rubberized cushion grip handle ensures maximum twisting force while reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether you're working on a simple household project or a more complex repair, you can rely on the Megapro screwdriver to provide comfort and ease. When investing in tools, durability is a top priority. The Megapro Ratcheting Screwdriver is built from high-quality materials, including triax construction, which enhances its resilience and longevity. This means it can withstand the rigors of frequent use without losing performance. Users consistently rave about the practicality and efficiency of the Megapro Ratcheting Screwdriver. It simplifies tasks, allowing for faster and more effective work, whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned professional. Its compact design makes it easy to store in a toolbox or even a kitchen drawer, ensuring that it's always within reach. In conclusion, the Megapro 13-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver is an indispensable tool that combines versatility, comfort, and durability into one sleek package. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or tackling various household repairs, this screwdriver is ready to meet your needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient ratcheting screwdriver, look no further. The Megapro is here to make your life easier and your projects more manageable. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Happy DIYing!